We are here at SMX Convention Center for Presim 2024. It is dated last May 22, 2024, last Wednesday. Buong NU campuses nandito. Good morning everyone! Ang aga ko nga mag-prepare ngayon at ang aga ko din umalis. Ayan, paalis na ako dito. Maaga din kasi yung call time sa school eh. Dito nga ay nakita-kita na rin kami ni Cass, ni Jillian at saka ni Danny. Si JP kasi nauna na rin sa school, excited eh. Let's drink our coffee muna bago pumunta ng lobby para gising sa umaga.
Punta na kami ng bus na yun. Uy, dalawa, galit. I-exit. Parang si JP sa entrance dadaan, no?
Sa pagkakataong ito, ang dami nang estudyante ang naghihintay.
Jelvin!
Nagsama-sama na nga kaming Mar 231. Finally, dumating na rin ang aming mga bus na maghahatid sa amin papuntang SMX Convention Center sa Pasay. Magkakaiba nga kami ng bus number. Bus number 1 hanggang 5 yan, at alphabetical order. At syempre, dahil ang apelido natin pang bus number 5 tayo, pinakadulo ba naman? Kasama ko sa bus sila Santillan, Tagala, Tibayan at Torres. Sa pagkakataong ito ay nakaupo na nga rin kami sa wakas, nag-aantay na lang kami para umalis ang bus. Mga B, ang taas ng second floor nila. Pagpasok nga namin sa loob, konti pa lang yung mga tao. Hindi ko na na-videohan sa labas kung gaano karaming estudyante ang pumunta, pero grabeng dami, sobra. Ang lawak ka ng lugar, at saka may air condition sa loob kaya malamig. Time to sleep! Uy!
Hello everyone! We're here at SMX Convention Center. Hello everyone! Hi kayo guys! Hi! Hi!
Habang naghihintay na magsimula, nag-a-appear sa screen ang mga different campuses ng NU. Simula 1900s hanggang 2023. Sabi nga sa akin ni JP dito, sumigaw kami kapag Dasmariñas campus na. Aba, competitive si kuya. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, nagsimula ang NU Dasmariñas campus na naipatayo noong year 2021. Hala, ang lakas ng sigaw ng NU MOA. Sa patong Fairview competitive. Ito na kami. O diba, for the sigaw talaga kami. During the event, may mga nag-perform din. Ang NU Choral at syempre ang NU Dance Company na talaga namang lagi-laging nananalo sa mga kompetisyon. Paano ba naman? Their dance moves is giving. Hataw kung hataw, bigay kung bigay, at halimaw sa dance floor. Lalo akong na-inspire makinig nung time na binigyan nila kami ng chance to showcase our speaking skills as marketing students in front of this big crowd. 4,500 delegates ba naman? Isa sa mga natatanging speaker natin for today's event ay si Senator Paolo Benigno Aguirre Aquino IV, or mas kilala natin sa pangalang Senator Bam Aquino. He is one of the former Senator of the Philippines and kilala natin siya bilang Filipino politician and social entrepreneur. One of his advocacy was to create 1,000 jobs for everyone. He states that AI might kill thousands of jobs, but in a good use, AI might also help us in opening doors of opportunity. Finally, it's lunchtime at 1 p.m. We had a bento box for our lunch, and also we had a cake and a crinkles for our breakfast and snacks. During our break time, lumabas kami ng area and bumungad sa amin ang different booths na sponsor ng event. O Biogenic, baka naman. Isa sa mga highlight ko this Presim 2024 is yung ma-interview ako ng co-fellow student but in a different NU campuses. My interviewer is from NU MOA. She asked me if ano yung mga expectations ko during the event and if the event meet my expectation. She also asked me kung anong highlight ko and ano yung mga natutunan ko sa ating mga speaker. And I answered na ang tumatak sa akin ay yung sinabi ni Mr. Jared Ernest de Guzman na they are focusing to teach us how to live the life we want to live in the future. Because as a competitive marketing student, we want to create and to live the life that we want to live in the future. Kaya nga in this event, napakaswerte ng mga BA or BSBA student ng NU or National University. Experiencing this prestigious conference with local and international entrepreneur experts is such a privilege to us. We have learned marketing, financial, and innovation strategies that will help us to be more creative and competitive in the field or in the market. The speaker taught us to navigate responsible AI practices for the future and to sustain development goals in a business, to prioritize the impact in a business, and also to generate revenues and invest more in business, not in personal use. Shoutout kay Kuya Terzel na pumayag magpa-interview. Thank you po. Bago nga matapos yung conference and bago kami pauwiin, pinlay muna yung same day edit video na naganap sa kabuuang conference.
Trust you are. We are with you. We are there for you. And we really find ways. First, find your why, embrace it, and honor every day.
At syempre, as expected, hindi mawawalang kantahin sa dulo ng event ang National University Hymn or NU Hymn. Grabe, it's such a blast. We had a great day today and of course, hindi mawawala ang photo op with our class section MAR 231. Thank you for watching. Until my next vlog.